Welcome to Pydle Day 82. Pydle is a daily puzzle you need to solve by writing Python code. Today's Pydle is a tap, so have a go at solving that Pydle. If you haven't played Pydle before, I will now solve yesterday's Pydle to give you some hints how to play Pydle, or if you already have already played Pydle and you just want to find out a solution for yesterday, then please stay on and watch the rest of this video. Okay, yesterday's Pydle was a rake. So it was very similar to the spade we had a couple of days ago. But I'm going to repeat the solution. I'm not going to copy and paste. Okay, it is symmetrical around the y-axis, so we're going to use Cartesian coordinates for x. For y, it's just going to be plain Pydle coordinates. So for y in range 5, but for x, we're going to say for x in range -2, 3. Okay, so for the handle, it is going to be if y in, so that's the vertical bit of the handle. So if y in 1, 2 and x equals 0. Let's do that quickly. Pydle, convert back to Pydle coordinates, so you need to add 2 to x, y, stay like that, and brown. Okay, that's the vertical bit of the handle. Now we need an OR. So OR y equals 0 and absolute value of x less than 2. Okay, so that is 2, that is 1, so plus minus x can be plus minus 1 and 0, so we just need to say absolute value of x less than 2. Okay, so that's the whole handle. Now for the whites, we don't need to worry about the blacks because that's the default background color. So we just need an else if. So if you can remember the spade, it's basically everything y less than 3 needs to be white because we've already colored in the handle. So all the remaining pixels with y less than 3 can be white. Okay, so that needs to be white. Okay, so now just these 2 white pixels for the rake. So or it's on the last row, so y equals 4, and we can do all kinds of things. We could do modulus, and then that's going to be the odd numbers, or we can just say absolute value of x equals 1. And that solves the Pydle. Okay, have a go at today's Pydle. It's quite a fun one with a tap. And come back tomorrow for the solution.